Hey everyone, welcome back to Vehicle Every Time. Today, we're diving into the best sedans for seniors under $30,000. Whether you're a senior or helping a loved one, stick around because we're all about comfort, safety, and reliability today. Let's get into it. First up, the Toyota Camry. This car has been a staple in the automotive world for decades, and for good reason. It's a vehicle that has consistently delivered on its promise of comfort, reliability, and value. The Camry is known for its smooth ride, which is great for long drives. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking a scenic route through the countryside, the Camry ensures that every journey is a pleasant one. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections on the road, providing a serene driving experience. It has wide opening doors and a good seat height, making it easy to get in and out. This is particularly beneficial for seniors or anyone with mobility issues. The thoughtful design means you don't have to struggle or strain to enter or exit the vehicle, adding to the overall comfort and convenience. The interior is spacious with plenty of legroom and headroom. Passengers in both the front and rear seats will appreciate the generous space, which makes long trips more enjoyable. The seats are designed to provide excellent support, reducing fatigue on extended drives. Controls are straightforward, no fumbling around. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with clearly marked buttons and easy-to-read displays. This user-friendly design ensures that you can focus on the road without being distracted by complicated controls. Sure, it might seem boring, but boring means reliable and predictable. The Camry has a long-standing reputation for dependability, which means fewer unexpected repairs and more peace of mind. It's a car that you can count on day in and day out. Camrys hold their value well, so you'll get a good return if you sell it. This strong resale value is a testament to the car's quality and durability. Investing in a Camry means you're making a smart financial decision that will pay off in the long run. The Toyota Camry, the comfort king of the sedan world, and a great option for seniors. Its combination of comfort, reliability, and value makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a dependable and enjoyable driving experience. Whether you're running errands around town or embarking on a cross-country road trip, the Camry is ready to deliver a smooth and comfortable ride every time. Next, the Honda Accord. The Accord is packed with an array of advanced safety features designed to keep you and your loved ones secure on the road. These include automatic emergency braking, which can help prevent collisions by applying the brakes if a potential impact is detected. Lane departure warning alerts you if you unintentionally drift out of your lane, ensuring you stay on course. Adaptive cruise control adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, making highway driving more comfortable and less stressful. Optional features include blind spot monitoring, which uses sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spots and provides visual or audible alerts to help you change lanes safely. Another valuable feature is the rear cross traffic alert. This system warns you of approaching vehicles when you're backing out of a parking space, reducing the risk of accidents in busy parking lots. Inside the Accord, the controls are intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to focus on the road. The dashboard is thoughtfully designed with everything you need within easy reach. The Accord also boasts excellent visibility, thanks to its large windows and high seating position. This design not only enhances your view of the road but also contributes to a more enjoyable and confident driving experience. Beyond safety, the Honda Accord is renowned for its reliability. With a reputation for longevity and dependability, this sedan reduces the chances of being stranded, giving you peace of mind on every journey. The Honda Accord is a safe, reliable, and technologically advanced sedan, making it an excellent choice for seniors who prioritize safety and comfort. With its comprehensive suite of safety features, user-friendly controls, and dependable performance, the Accord ensures that every drive is as secure and enjoyable as possible. Let's talk about the Hyundai Sonata, a car that has been making waves in the automotive industry for all the right reasons. Hyundai has come a long way over the years, and the Sonata is a prime example of their commitment to quality and innovation. This sedan has been designed with the modern driver in mind, offering a blend of style, performance, and practicality. It's known for its exceptional reliability and affordability, making it a popular choice among consumers who want a dependable vehicle without breaking the bank. The Sonata is built to be dependable, ensuring that it won't leave you stranded with unexpected repair bills. Its engineering and build quality are top-notch, providing peace of mind for drivers. Maintenance is straightforward and affordable, with parts that aren't pricey or hard to find. Regular servicing is easy on the wallet, making the Sonata a cost-effective option in the long run. Hyundai stands behind their vehicles with an impressive 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This extensive coverage is a testament to the brand's confidence in their product's durability and longevity. Inside, the Sonata offers a comfortable and quiet cabin, perfect for long drives or daily commutes. The ride is smooth, absorbing road imperfections with ease, ensuring a pleasant driving experience. It comes loaded with features that enhance both convenience and safety. The touchscreen infotainment system is user-friendly and keeps you connected on the go. Heated front seats add a touch of luxury, especially in colder climates. Advanced safety features such as lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control provide an extra layer of protection for you and your passengers. The Hyundai Sonata is not just a car, it's a reliable, affordable, and well-equipped sedan that meets the needs of today's drivers. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family car, or a vehicle for road trips, the Sonata delivers on all fronts. With its blend of reliability, low maintenance costs, and a host of features, it's a smart choice for anyone in the market for a new car. Next, the Subaru Legacy. The Legacy is known for its standard all-wheel drive and safety. It's fuel-efficient and eco-friendly, minimizing your carbon footprint. Fuel efficiency is good for the environment and your wallet. Subaru has engineered a system that delivers both all-wheel drive and fuel efficiency. The Legacy also comes with Subaru's EyeSight suite of driver assist features. The Subaru Legacy, a fuel-efficient, eco-friendly, and safe sedan for seniors. Now, the Kia Optima. Kia has been shaking things up, and the Optima is a prime example. The Optima is packed with technology perfect for tech-savvy seniors. It has a large, intuitive touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Advanced safety features include blind spot monitoring and lane keeping assist. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and the cabin is quiet. The Kia Optima, a tech-savvy, comfortable, and stylish sedan. Finally, the Mazda 6. Mazda is known for building fun-to-drive cars, and the Mazda 6 is no exception. It offers great value for money with features like leatherette upholstery and heated front seats. The Mazda 6 is built to last, providing years of trouble-free driving. Maintenance is relatively inexpensive. The Mazda 6, a stylish, fun-to-drive, and value-packed sedan. So there you have it, our top 6 picks for the best sedans for seniors under $30,000. From the comfort-focused Toyota Camry to the tech-savvy Kia Optima, there's something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more car reviews and tips. Let me know in the comments which sedan you'd choose and why. Until next time, drive safe.